Hello, my name is Nanette Ritmeester. I'm the founder of Expertise in Labor Mobility, have created with my team the Career Professor app, and am the director for North America and Europe for iGraduate. At Expertise in Labor Mobility, we have created an employability lab to help you prepare for the global world of work. And we do that through the use of the Career Professor app. And the why behind it, that's what I'm going to explain to you during this short webinar. First of all, we've created a career route planner. We want you to help to understand your own experiences, to reflect upon them, and to be able to implement them. And why is this so important? Well, the global world of work is changing rapidly. Technological change, globalization, Gen Z, environmental sustainability, but also increasing inequality and political uncertainty, and last but certainly not least, COVID-19. All these changes have had a big impact on the global world of work. And what we've seen is that employers are looking for certain people in this changing world of work. They look for people that have a better understanding of flexibility and adaptability, but also cultural sensitivity, a global mindset, problem-solving skills. But I also want people that have strong language skills, emotional stability, perseverance, critical thinking and value judgment. And of course, things such as teamwork skills, social and communication skills, but also creativity, self-reliance, and of course, the ability to deal with ambiguity, uncertainty. That's proven to be very valuable in this current market. And the good thing is, you've gained many of these skills already while interacting with other cultures, other people. And through the use of the Career Professor app, we want you to become more aware of those intercultural differences and how they play a role in job hunting, social interaction, and actually working itself. So going back to that first step, understanding. Do you understand your host country, your destination in general? Do you understand the work culture there and the impact it has on your mobility? And then if you think about reflecting, I mentioned the pandemic earlier on. Questions like, tell me a little bit about yourself. What have you gained during this pandemic period? Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? Nobody would have said it was a good answer if you would said if 2016, we would all be wearing face masks and social distancing and no handshaking anymore. So that question, where do you see yourself in 5 years' time, is not to actually say what you will be doing in 5 years' time, but it's about your ambition. Where would you like to go? And bring that employer, that company, that organization you're job hunting with into the answer. So these things are important, but the most important part that we want you to learn through the use of Career Professor is the whole implementation phase. How to write a CV for a certain country. And do we call it a CV or a resume? What's your whole job hunting strategy going to be like? What do you put in an application letter? What is in your online presence? How do you prepare for a job interview in a certain country? This is where the Career Professor app will support you in your understanding on working and looking for work in that global world of work. And we really aim at creating a powerful CV together with you. We won't do it for you, but we help you to understand what it is that employers in various countries want and thus create the best CV that you can create. We'll be helping you to understand what are the skills that you've gained. We help you to understand what is the mobility of the impact of your mobility and how can you translate that into who you are and what kind of a job seeker you are. So the Career Professor app helps you to make that transition from education to the world of work. And it will help you to become more aware of cultural differences. It will help you to understand job hunting in various countries, but it will also help you with general careers advice. How does it work? Quite simple. Your institution, your higher education institution, will send you an email that will contain a link. You click on the link, fill in your credentials, create your own password, and you can download it from either iTunes or from the Google Play Store. And then you simply just go ahead. You can play the app, learn about cultural differences, learn about how to become the best job seeker you can possibly be. So I'm looking forward to be working with you. If you've got more questions, feel free to connect with us. Good luck.